So I'm going to work on my median strip with some winter sowing. This is true lavender. Let me show you what I have over here. The wind's picking up. This would be a fun one to have as a perennial. These are more perennials. Let's see, does this say, what is this one again? Blanket flower. Let's go put some blanket flower and sedum. I'll grab that sedum in a minute. Over here, past my filth. This would be a good spot for some blanket flower. Let's see, this median strip needs some help. I really need to weed this out, but I also wanted to show you what I'm putting in and what I did last year. This is a yarrow from last year. This is a penstemon from last year. These are weeds. These are winter sown. I meant reseeded larkspur. So I'm going to put some blanket flower, rudbeckia, true lavender. I'll go past over here. Blanket flower, sweet william, and some sedum. So this is going to look good. Let me show you some more stuff that was winter sown last year and put in this median strip. Penstemon. These are some yarrows. Here's some more yarrow. Here's some penstemon. These were done in clumps. There's some more yarrow. Looking for anything winter sown over here. Not seeing, oh, one. This is a penstemon. Has not bloomed yet. It should bloom this year though. Rest of it is sedums, lamb's ear, iris. Don't like these. Iris, I think they're an ugly color. This is some more lamb's ear, salvia, and lots of weeds. Here's some more winter sown penstemon. They haven't bloomed quite yet. This is a winter sown penstemon.